How to log into your Railcard account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Railcard account. To log into your Railcard account, you need to go to the official website of Railcard. For that, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar, you need to type railcard.co.uk. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. With this link, you will be able to access the official website of Railcard. Once you reach to this interface, here at the top, you will find Manage My Railcard option. Click on this link and then you will be redirected to a new page where you will be presented with a login interface. Here you need to input your email address and password associated with your Railcard account. In this first box, enter your email address and in the second box, enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. If in case you forgot your password, you may also click on this I have forgotten my password link and from there you can recover your password by following the instructions given to you. Also, if you haven't created an account on it, you may also click on this register button at the right side and create an account on it. So after entering all your information, click on this login button right here to access your account. After that, you will be able to log into your Railcard account. Once logged in, you can manage your Railcard, view your details, and check for any updates or offers. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your Railcard account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.